BTS Batangas, BTS Batangas. This is motor vessel precision 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3 motor vessel precision, motor vessel precision. This is BTS Batangas. Go ahead, over. BTS Batangas, this is motor vessel precision. We are approaching Batangas Port Terminal with an estimated time of arrival at 0800 hours 30 October 2023. Our drop is 12.3 meters. Gross tonnage is 23210 metric tons, and we have 4 person on board. You are carrying 12304 metric tons of iron ore, and there is 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3 dangerous cargo on board. Requesting permission to enter the port, over. Motor vessel precision, this is BTS Batangas. Copy your information. Please switch to channel 12 for further communication, over. BTS Batangas, this is motor vessel precision on channel 12, over. Motor vessel precision, this is BTS Batangas. I have received your details. Please confirm the nature of dangerous cargo on board, over. BTS Batangas, this is motor vessel precision. The dangerous cargo on board is 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3, which is flammable liquid, over. Motor vessel precision, this is BTS Batangas. Your entry request has been noted. Proceed with caution and keep on continuous watch on channel 12. Welcome to Batangas Port, over. BTS Batangas, this is motor vessel precision. Proceeding with caution and maintaining a watch on channel 12. Thank you, over.